Hey everyone! Welcome to the channel, Handmade Cars. I've made this Mustang GR500 from Plasticine in order to break it down. I've made this Mustang GR500 myself. I used special sculpting clay and colored modeling clay. It's of a blue color. The car is really well highlighted detailed. I like highlighting various parts. That's why I've even made the bottom of the car, to make it look absolutely realistic. I've even made these wheels so that they can turn, and this Mustang can even drive. I've also detailed the engine. Let's take a look at it. I've installed here the 5.8-liter engine with a capacity of 670 HP. Now I'm going to tell you how I'm going to break this Mustang. Well, everything is quite simple here. I tied the Mustang to a thread, and I passed the thread itself through the plasticine block. So, if you pull it sharply, the car will go straight to this block and crash right into the plasticine block. Something went wrong. I've pulled the thread too hard, since the block hasn't been stuck to the table well. So it's been destroyed. The hood got bent a little. Well, we'll take it off. The engine has been hit a bit as well, and the radiator got stuck. The bumper got bent and the wheel is squeezed a little. I'm gonna fix it in order to repeat the collision again. There is some damage on the bottom of the car, but it can easily be fixed. Well, it didn't work out. I pulled it too hard and the thread came off the car. The bumper got damaged a little from the collision. For a new test, I've made such an angle ram on this little car. This ram will crash into the side of the car, and this way, we'll see how sturdy it is. Look what came of it. I sped up the car quite strongly. And while I was taking it away, the door got stuck to the ram and got flat again. The crash test dummy is absolutely fine and hasn't been damaged at all. Now the most interesting thing is going to happen. I'm going to drop this car down the table from the height of about 2 meters. Well, that's been a good crash test. The car's fallen down the table and then it's fallen down the floor. I guess I should have put the camera under the table. The hood, the roof have just flown away. The crash test dummy stuck to the seat and it's flown away right with the seat. The car's pillars got bent and the steering wheel got bent a little as well. The back part of the car has also been bent a little. The bumper got flat a bit. You can see the signs of the damage, especially side collision is noticeable. Let's drop it onto the backside. It's been a very strong fall. Let's look at the backside of the car. And here, everything is completely crumpled. The area that's been damaged is really huge. It's especially visible from the side how the door and the backside got bent. And the backside got flat again. It was 3D and turned into 2D. Well, although I'm making fun of my work, but it looks spectacular. I recently finished sculpting it, and now I've already broken it completely. Let's take a look at what happened to the crash test dummy. But first of all, let's take it out. The crash test dummy is almost all right. It hasn't been squeezed, and there's enough room here. From the underneath, you may see how much the backside got bent. Here, everything got crumpled. And the last thing we're gonna do? I'll drop the car onto the pencil. Maybe I'll manage to pierce it. Total destruction. It hasn't fallen a little off center, but it's been crushed into pieces. And now you can see the crash test dummy without the head. There are a lot of small parts around. It's a hole made with a pencil. Here you may see wire. It's used to make the construction more durable, sturdy. Well, I've broken it a lot. That's just terrible. Even the small parts are already falling off the car. From the underneath, you may see where it's been hit by the pencil. Now, when the car is completely crashed, I'll show you how I made it from Plasticine, step by step. I have a lot of videos like this one, so if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. The quality of the cars will get better. I'll do my best. Thanks for watching this video. Bye, everyone!